Hi, I'm Aaliyah and I'm a freshman music major. And this is my friend Noah.
Also a freshman music major. Right now, we're outside Meadows, right across from the box office in the library. I'm kind of feeling a little hungry. What about you?
Yeah, I'm feeling a little hungry too.
Do you want to head over to Snider Plaza then?
Let's go.
Okay.
So, why did you come to SMU?
For me, it was like a lot of different puzzle pieces fitting together. It was like the Meadows music program, my roommate, like a lot of the academics here, and also the fact that SMU really did feel more homey than a lot of other schools.
No, I understand what you're talking about. Originally, SMU wasn't huge on my radar because I wanted to get outside of Dallas. But the more I explored the campus and just like talked to the professors, it was amazing. And like realizing the opportunities that I get here, that's great.
Okay, so tell
Welcome
me.
to Snider Plaza.
I know we're here.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's Coopies.
Okay, what is Kubi?
It's a German place. I heard they have really good breakfasts.
Okay, so Banditos, like the first time I came here was like one of the first things I did with Mustang Band, and we had a trombone section like lunch here. It's not like a college town, but I feel like it's a neighborhood with a university in the middle.
And every college student needs coffee.
Yes.
It's a need.
Sometimes the cold brew in the dining halls, I need something more. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
That smells so good.
I know, like I love handmade soaps.
Wait,
I'm
Noah,
a sucker.
look, the mural.
Okay, so we need to take a picture. Soap on 3. 1, 2, 3.
So,
Soap! That's so crazy. Okay, but there's one more spot I think we need to see, and it's ice cream. You up for it?
I'm always up for ice cream.
Okay.
Lead the way.
Surreal Creamery it is.
During Christmas break, I was in Poland with the human rights trip, which was so incredible, so much fun. And then after that, I went to the SMU in Taos, like the satellite campus, when it was snowing and I got used to the cold weather. Like, let's just say
That's
that.
real.
And then during spring break, I went to Oklahoma for a convention.
I'm actually going to a trip to Romania this summer. The music education majors and I were going to go teach music to middle schoolers in Romania this summer.
Thank you so much for following us along on our journey to Snider Plaza. Hopefully you enjoyed it just as much as we did because we got to experience so many wonderful places that are really nearby campus.
It's super convenient, it's super awesome, and one more spot I think we should go to. I need to pick up some groceries for my dorm, so maybe Tom Thumb. We hope to see you future Mustangs at Tom Thumb, at SMU, on campus, so pony up and see you at the hilltop. Bye y'all.